Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the website builder not loading in GoDaddy 2026. Is GoDaddy website builder stuck on loading or completely blank? This fixes fast by following these few simple steps. Now when the editor doesn't load, it's rarely a GoDaddy's fault. In most cases, it's caused by browser cache, extensions, VPNs, or network conflicts. And here's the exact fix. First thing you want to do is to open incognito mode. We're gonna open the incognito mode, and here you're gonna log into GoDaddy. You're gonna go to the GoDaddy website by typing in GoDaddy here, and after that you're gonna log into your GoDaddy account. Once you find the website, you're gonna click on it, and make sure to click on Connect Accounts, like this, and click on Create an Account. Then you can log in with your account. Now after that, let's go back here to our account, and after that you're gonna disable the ad block. You're gonna use the disable the ad blocker and disable the VPN and the browser's extension. Once you do that, you're gonna clear the browser's cache and cookies by clicking on the three dots right here, and then click on delete browsing data. Then you're gonna click on more options and choose cookies and site data and cached images files, and click on delete data. And try another browser like Chrome or Edge, and also try another device if needed. Never keep refreshing endlessly, and don't edit on unstable internet. Incognito mode solves 70% of the cases, so always keep browsers updated. And just like that, your website builder should load normally again. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.